Ever wondered if you could roast coffee beans in your microwave without burning them? Science says, yes. Let me show you exactly how. First, let's talk about why you'd even want to try this. Fast, precise, boosts healthy stuff in coffee. Salamatullah et al., 2022. Increased antioxidants. Preserves flavor. So how do you actually do it? Here's what you need. Green coffee beans. Microwave-safe glass container. Microwave-safe ceramic container. Microwave with adjustable power. For best results, roast small batches. About 50 grams. Roughly a quarter cup. Too many beans, and they'll cook unevenly. Spread the beans out in a single layer. No stacking. Place the container right in the center of the microwave turntable. This makes sure every bean gets even heat. Now, the magic numbers. Salamatullah et al., 2022. Kelly and Scott, 2020. Sweet spot, 720 watts. For 4 minutes. If your microwave doesn't do 720 exactly, set it to medium-high. Hit start and watch closely. Halfway through, about 2 minutes, open the door, stir the beans, let out some steam. This helps them roast evenly and keeps moisture in check. After 4 minutes, check the color. You're looking for a light to medium brown. If they're still pale, go for another 30 seconds, but watch them like a hawk. Browning ramps up fast at the end. Once you're happy with the roast, spread the beans on a cool plate so they stop cooking. Let them rest for at least 12 hours before grinding. This lets the flavors settle. Why does this work? Microwave roasting drives moisture down from 9 to 15% to just 1–2%. It changes the chemical makeup. It increases polyphenols. It increases flavonoids, especially at 720 watts for 4 minutes. Salamatullah et al., 2022. Kelly and Scott, 2020 noted moisture loss tracks roasting, but there's no perfect frequency signal for the endpoint. Just remember, every microwave is a little different. Start with small batches. Keep an eye on color and smell. Tweak the time by 30-second bursts if needed. Exploring origins. Mexican Arabica profiles shine with careful microwave control. Small batches protect nuance and keep roasting even. Single-layer placement reduces hot spots and burning. Center the dish on the turntable for uniform heat. Traceable lots deserve careful roasting, even at home. Recap: 50 grams. Single layer, centered. 720 watts for 4 minutes. Stir and vent at 2 minutes. Add 30 seconds only if needed. Want to geek out more? Check out Salamatullah et al., 2022. Check out Kelly and Scott, 2020. This video is sponsored by LaPreuve.com, importing specialty coffee from developing regions. Hit like if you learned something new. Happy roasting.